YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 channels that you should be following as far as financial information and financial knowledge is concerned. Coming up. What's up everyone, welcome to another video on Mudgal's Musings, a channel dedicated to increasing your productivity and helping you acquire more knowledge so that you're able to save more and you're able to make your money work for you. If this happens to be your first time here, consider subscribing because I keep posting one interesting video every single week. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you don't miss out anything exciting on this channel and you get notified every time I upload a new video. First one on my list is Akshat Srivastava. So Akshat Srivastava, he's been a management consultant. He's also into probably startups and he's having multiple digital businesses that he's running as he claims on his channel. He's got Instagram handle also. Well, his channels mostly focus on macroeconomics and how these macroeconomic concepts and the movements actually impact the share market, impact the stock market, and impact the investment strategies of individuals as well as nations. So it's very informative, very educative. He takes you into the depth in a very simple manner, easy to understand manner, explains the concepts of, it could be related to balance of trade, it could be related to the taxation, it could be related to the debt, how the countries are taking debt globally, and how that debt is actually having an impact on the economies of the world, and especially focused on Indian economy and how these certain developments actually have an impact on the stock market. All right, and he has on many occasions shown his own purchases, buys and sells of the stocks that he has purchased. So that's one channel that you should watch. Remember, Akshat Srivastava. The second channel which I keep watching is of Pranjal Kamra. Pranjal Kamra mainly speaks in Hindi. He's got about 3 million subscribers and his channel is growing faster and faster. He has shared multiple videos, hundreds of videos about his investment journey, how he started, what kind of bottlenecks that he had to face, how much of learning he has acquired over a period of time, and he has in fact developed his own courses and his own platform and his own product called Ticker, where you can become a subscriber, you can learn, probably it will help you track your portfolio, it will help you identify the stocks that are going to grow in value, and both for long-term investment as well as short-term gains. He's got certain strategies in place. There are regular videos, and the way he explains the stock market concepts, the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, about the status and the health of a particular company and the stock. So all these factors are very useful for the beginner investors, even the investors who have had some stint in the stock market. The third channel on my list is Market Maestro. So Market Maestro, I think it must be a gentleman called Ankit. This channel is in Hindi and his language is very simple, very easy to understand. If you know Hindi and if you are able to understand Hindi comfortably, then this is one channel that you must be following. There are stock tips on this. He also has an Instagram handle, Instagram page which shares a lot of information. The video itself in a week, at least about 2 to 5 videos are released in a week, and each of the video comes with certain insights in terms of what stocks to buy, what stocks to sell, why you should be continuing to hold a particular stock, and why you should avoid certain IPOs. So all these informations are going to be very extremely useful and handy for the investors. The fourth channel on my list is that of CA Rachana Ranade. CA Rachana Ranade is, as the name itself suggests, she has added the CA. She's a chartered accountant, and she's done a lot of work on stock market, and she's now running her own courses also. She has some pro version of the courses and certain videos that she's releasing on YouTube. Of course, obviously they are not going to be that insightful. But there are many videos which share a lot of knowledge basic understanding to the intermediate understanding as well as advanced level of thinking. It could be information related to the stocks and the shares and the debentures and FDs and pension schemes and so whole lot of information related to stock market is discussed. She comes on live quite often, and even those live sessions are definitely very useful. So do follow the channel of CA Rachana Ranade for having maximum benefits in terms of financial information. The fifth channel which I'm going to talk about is again by an individual, and his name is Ankur Warikoo. So Ankur Warikoo actually speaks in Hindi and English, and he has about 912,000 subscribers, and the channel is definitely growing. And he mainly speaks about insurance and financial planning. He talks about startups. He's got book recommendations, and he talks about careers and jobs and the skill set that you need to be acquiring, and also related to stocks and shares and the movements of the stocks and shares, and what is the right time to kind of get into something, and what is the right time to get out of something. Basically the necessary information, the information that is going to be very useful for people who are in the financial market, who would like to put their money to work. The sixth and the final channel that I'm going to talk to you about today is that of Shashank Udupa. Shashank Udupa is a very young guy, probably under 30s or just about 30. He's from Mumbai. He's now probably settled in Bengaluru. He's very young chap, very lively. I'm sure most of the youngsters are going to connect with him very easily. Though he brings in Hindi a little bit here and there, but mostly his channel is in English. He does a lot of live videos also. He shares his stories. He shares what has helped him become a millionaire or make a lot of money, become successful in whatever he is doing in a very short span of time. Just about 5 to 6 years. In about 5 to 6 years time, he's been able to establish himself as a very successful entrepreneur, very successful investor, and probably he's looking forward to making big in life. And then he's definitely put in a lot of effort, so which he's kind of trying to transfer to the other youngsters, whether people are young or old. I think they are going to find his channel also equally interesting. He does a lot of fundamental analysis. He talks about small cases. He talks about mutual funds. He talks about tax saving. He also talks about the skill sets which people should acquire in order to be successful in whatever they choose. He talks about attitude. He talks about aptitude. I think this channel of Shashank Udupa, I'm sure if you explore and if you like it, you will definitely thank me, because I think I found him to be very, very useful and knowledgeable. Now don't forget to mention which of these channels you're going to be watching first. Do mention them in the comment section below. I'm going to go through and see which of these guys are being watched first. That's all on Mudgal's Musings this week. Thanks for watching this video. Like it if you like it, and do share the video among your friends and acquaintances, just in case they might also be interested in watching videos like this. Till I see you next time, have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye. Do take care. Stay healthy. Stay protected.